All right, let's do a second example that's a little bit more difficult. So in this case, fx is going to equal, um, well, I'm going to do the chain rule. So 1/3 times x squared plus y squared to the negative 2/3 times 2x. And fy equals 1/3 times x squared plus y squared to the negative 2/3 times 2y. Notice again that this function here is symmetric in regards to x and y, which means you can swap out x and y. So if I do the fx there, and I get that, and the fy in there, and I get that. And so because the x and y's can be swapped out in the original, once I find fx, if I just swap x's and y's, I get the fy. Okay, so another way to write this would be, say, 2x over 3 times x squared plus y squared to the 2/3 power. So it was negative, so now it's in the bottom. I want to set that equals 0. And then 2y over 3 x squared plus y squared to the 2/3 is equals 0. And so as long as the denominator is not equal to 0, then this will be 0 when x equals 0. And as long as the denominator is not equal to 0, then y has to equal 0. But if x is 0 and y is 0, then the denominator will be 0. So 0, 0 is a critical point because it is undefined at 0, 0. So that gives us a critical point when something is undefined.